Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're all doing well. The internet is going crazy over this new Dubai chocolate. So we decided to go out and purchase it and test it out. So here's our Sweet Fix luxury chocolate that cost $18, guys. But it's milk chocolate. Look how thick it is. It's thicker than my finger, almost 2 times the size of my finger.
It's thick.
For anyone that cares about nutritional facts, take a look because I'm going to dig in. We've been looking for this for months and literally could not find it. So let's dig in. This chocolate I had to get from behind the cash. That's how sacred this chocolate is. So let's do the smell test first. Smells like milk chocolate. Doing good. Let's just bring it up. Look at the thickness on this.
That's thick. That's crazy thick.
Oh, wow.
How cool, eh?
Cool, eh? Well, I'm glad that they've separated them into little
Sections.
sections, so when I rip it apart, you can see if it's creamy. Let's see. Oh, I can feel it. You ready? You have a nice view on it?
I'm waiting. It's hard.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, that looks good.
So we're gonna start with that. Right. Okay. So this green that you're seeing here is the
Pistachio cream.
yeah.
And then there's the confetti, which is like shredded filo dough.
So let's taste it right now.
Oh, but
I got a nice part of the white chocolate, the milk chocolate, and everything else. Here we go. First taste. Crunchy. Milk chocolate is really good. I love the crunch.
Do you taste the pistachio?
A little bit. It's more the crunch I'm tasting. Let me have another bite. It's so good, rich, chocolatey, milk chocolate, not dark chocolate. Love it. You need to taste this and give me your opinion.
Okay.
I think it's delicious.
Let me taste.
Not sure if it's worth $18. Maybe a one-time shot, but listen, not everyone are millionaires. Wink, wink. You try it now.
All right, I'm looking forward to it. My favorite thing in the world is pistachio, so.
You feel the crunch that I'm talking about? That's delicious. Nice aftertaste in your mouth too.
That is really rich, creamy. I think for myself, the chocolate overpowers the pistachio. $18, a little much, but I'm glad I tried it. Everyone's been talking about it.
Yeah.
Would I try it again or buy it again? Probably not for $18. But a one-time shot, guys, go try it out. It's so luscious.
Listen, if
and
someone's
creamy.
buying,
I'm eating it.
eat it.
Yes.
That's all I can say.
Exactly. Really good. I can see what the hype is about. So guys, like, subscribe. See you on the flip side.